Hello everyone. My voice is actually not working very well today, but I will try to do the feedback about Malinko's presentation. Um, Number one is, well, first of all, I like very much the SEM results that you have achieved. It's very clear how you have improved from week first to the third week. Um, and I would say that here is very important that SEM and SEO work together. In fact, one strong recommendation for any company when creating the digital marketing team is having a unique person managing search marketing, both including SEM and SEO. Basically, because with SEM, you know where the demand is, what people write in the search box of Google, what they are searching for. And then, for each keyword, you can do an analysis, which is this a long tail, cheap keyword that converts very well? Then I can afford to buy it with Google AdWords. Is this more a head of the tail keyword that is more expensive but brings a lot of traffic? Then this is one of the keywords that they should target with SEO and then start developing content and optimizing my website for that keyword. And the third consideration would be if for a given keyword I have already a good positioning in terms of SEO, maybe it's not worth for me to buy or to bid for that particular keyword. So just want to emphasize that SEM and SEO, there should be a unique strategy for search engines, not two separate things, but one. Number two, I like very much when you were talking about social media, the visual marketing and your content marketing strategy. Um, so I would like to emphasize here again the point that social media is not a repository of content. So just by posting content through social media, you are not going to reach a significant number of people. Social media is a channel that has hyper-targeting capabilities, especially Facebook, for distributing your content. Okay, so it's a distribution channel. So what do I mean by that? That we need to use paid advertising in social media. The organic reach is getting shorter and shorter, and we need to amplify the audience that we can reach with social media. That is how Facebook is monetizing the business model, and this is a clear trend in Facebook. When you pay for the different Facebook paid advertising formats, it's very efficient in terms of cost. So it's really worth it. It's really worth to complement your content strategy with your paid media strategy within Facebook, within social media. Otherwise, you're not going to reach your audience really. So that is exactly what you did in your presentation, and I just want to emphasize that I like it. And number three, my third message is I like very much when you talk about user experience that you start with the customer journey. Okay, this is what everything is about in terms of designing our solutions for web and mobile. This is a journey. What is the context of the user? What does he really want to do? What do we want them to feel when interacting with our web and mobile apps? Okay. So the starting point is the journey of the user, and I would say it's a different journey for the desktop and tablets and for the smartphones, because as we saw in our mobile session, the context of the user is very different for these two kinds of devices. So they need to be coherent, but at the same time they need to be adapted to the context of the user. So I like very much the idea that you started describing the customer journey. So that's it. That is all in terms of feedback for this presentation that I like very much. In general, I like the three of them very much. And what I particularly like about this exercise is that you have chosen companies that are relevant to you. And that makes the whole exercise more meaningful, more practical, more real to our lives. So thank you very much, Group C, for your Malinko presentation.